How to overlay in InShot. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. Today I'll be showing you how to overlay in InShot in just a few simple steps. So first things first, open up the InShot app and choose the video that you want to edit. You will see a list of icons. So for overlay, you'll have to tap on the PIP option that is at the end. Now, after choosing it, you will be redirected to your gallery and you should choose the photo that you want to overlay. After selecting your overlay, drag it to the desired position on your video. You can adjust its size and make it transparent by tapping on the edit option. So this will allow you to choose the background, floor size, and even apply effects like cutout, chroma, and even blend. So you can just move the pointer on the photo and then it will remove the background. And you can even increase the strength and shadow. You can also go to the blend option and choose the filters that is shown on the screen. And this is how you overlay in InShot. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.